In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom on Windows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. The first step is to open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you usually use. Once you have that open, go to the address bar at the top and type in Zoom Download for Desktop. This will help you find the official site quickly so you can download the latest version of Zoom. After you hit enter, look for the result that leads you to the official Zoom website. It should be one of the top links. Now, you don't want to click on any ads or third-party sites because they might not be safe, so ensure you're selecting the proper official page. On that website, you'll find options for downloading Zoom. It usually detects whether you're using a Windows or Mac computer. But just to be safe, you want to find the section specifically for downloading Zoom for Windows. Be attentive here, as Zoom offers both 32-bit and 64-bit versions of their software. If you're not sure which one to pick, most modern computers use the 64-bit version, but if you have an older machine, it might be the 32-bit version. If you're unsure, you can check your computer settings to find out. Once you have selected the correct version, click on the download button and the file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take just a few moments. After the download is finished, you need to locate the file. Typically, it will be in your Downloads folder, but it can also show up in the bottom section of your browser. Open your Downloads folder and find the downloaded Zoom installer. Now here's an important step. Right-click on the Zoom installer file. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Look for the option that says Run as Administrator. It's crucial to run the installer as an administrator to ensure that Zoom has the necessary permissions to install correctly on your system. This step can help prevent any issues during the installation process. Once you click Run as Administrator, a new window will pop up to guide you through the installation process. It should be quite straightforward. Simply follow the prompts. You might want to click Next a few times and agree to any terms and conditions presented to you. When you reach the end of the installation, the process will finish up, and you'll often see a message confirming that Zoom is ready to be used. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your Windows computer. You're now ready to join meetings, host your own, or even just check out the features Zoom has to offer. Now you can connect with friends, family, or colleagues, no matter where they are. If you encountered any issues during this process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot. Remember to explore Zoom's features once you've logged in. There's a lot to discover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more help.